Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Shiva Ravindra. Today I am going to explain you the 74th question out of 150, how to create the define.xml in a real-time projects. Okay, so here if you want to see complete video, so you can join my YouTube channel. Then only you can watch all my exclusive videos. You can get the join button in my YouTube channel. Please click on and pay 119 rupees, so you'll get a subscription to watch all videos in the 150 clinical SaaS interview Q&A in detail explanation playlist. Okay, so if you want to learn real-time clinical SaaS project, oncology project, 45 days session, so you can contact the below number and enroll, and you can get all the information about this project. Okay, coming to the define.xml. So there is a define.xml package. So you'll get into the here Pinnacle 21 community exe. So you can download from the Google. So here when you open that one, this like this it will open. So click on the define.xml, and first you have to click the create specification file. So whenever you are going to create any define.xml package, so you need to create the standard specs. So for that purpose, we need to browse all XPT files which were created at the time of SGTM. So whenever you are creating the SGTM dataset, along with the SGTM, we created the XPT files. Otherwise, there are some tools or standard macros are available to convert the SAS format dataset to XPT format. XPT formats are the formats only to compatible with these cases. Okay, so I am browsing all the XPT files what we have. So just I am browsing and opening. Okay, so create the specification files as per the SGTM 3.1.2 version. So I'm clicking this creating the spec. So automatically first generate the standard define.xml specification file. Okay, so whenever it was created, open the specification file. So in the specification file, so you need to update all these details. Okay, so you need to update your study name, some XXX or study description, some YYY and protocol like 111, and comes to the data set, you will give the complete description, adverse events. So what are the data set you browse? So all the data sets you will get here. So after that one, coming to the variables, so each and every variable how you derived in your project, so you need to mention everything like which format you are using, and this information we are getting from which page. For example, CRF 10 page. Okay, you need to hyperlink all also. So you need to hyperlink and connect with your CRF page number 10, so that whenever the client click on this page number, automatically it will go and open the CRF page. So what is this producer are assigned or derived, so how you are which variable you are assigned, etc. How your specification file created. Here we have to standardize everything like here study ID, so we collect from the DM domain study ID, like that you need to derive each and every variable. We need to fulfill all these data sets. All these data set complete information we have to enter in a variable tab, and value level tab, any formats are used you can use. If you don't have any thing, so you can leave it as it is. So if any where classes, so any conditions used you can mention here. So any code list, so you can mention here. Any dictionaries, WH1 who did you medra version dictionary, you can mention here. Any methods you are get used, so you can mention here. Otherwise you can give as empty. So comments and documents, these 10 tabs are important, and these are the standard. So in case if anything was added, you can add the more tabs, but you have to keep all these tabs updated one. So after that one, you can save this data specification file. Once you completed, you can save into uh, the data set. After that one, so you can close and create generate define.xml. So you can browse this one and generate the define.xml. So it is produced open define.xml. So if you click on this one, so it will open automatically the define.xml page. So we are deriving the adverse event data set, right? So CR page number and etc. So we are giving the study ID as XXX. So here you can see, so study, which study we are giving and etc. So adverse event data set, we are giving the label, right? So everything was hyperlinked. So if you are giving complete date here, so automatically if you click on this here, that will open the page. So this is called the way of creating the define.xml. Okay. So you need to update everything in the specification file. That specification standard specification file uploaded in the define.xml page and create the define.xml. So whenever you submit the package along with the define.xml, so all the documents we are submitting, the client want to check the some particular variable. So if you click on that particular variable, so automatically the hyperlinked page was opened. So this is a way to create the define.xml. Okay. So if you are really interested to join my oncology classes, the oncology project 45 days classes, please contact below number. So if you want to watch all the important videos, you can join my YouTube channel. Thank you.